Thomas has asked, what is the best possible insulation you can install over an existing loom to help it from heat soak? Great question there, Thomas, and one that we've actually just dealt with again on our Toyota 86 race car. We're in a situation where we've got a mil-spec style harness that's running directly across the firewall, probably no more than about 50 millimeters from the turbo downpipe. So heat insulation is a very big factor that we were concerned about there. We've used a Speedflow product, which is normally reserved for running around AN lines and fittings. So it's essentially a fiberglass insulated material with a very high temp sleeve over the top of it that you can slip over the harness. There's a variety of different products that Speedflow offer. Probably if you look at Aeromotive, that would be another solution that would have similar things, but there's other solutions that you don't need to install while you're building the harness that can be slipped over and clipped together. So something like that. We actually coupled that as well with a mechanical heat shield between the turbo downpipe and the wiring harness, just to give ourselves the best possible chance of survival there. Actually, we went one step further. We also heat wrapped the downpipe as well. So heat management, particularly around turbochargers, very, very important if you want reliability.
That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you're the type of guy who wants to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about performance engine building and EFI tuning, and you'll also have the chance to ask your own questions, which I'll be answering live. Remember, it's 100% free, so follow the link to claim your spot.